Good morning, children. We will continue with the lesson Navyaka Graha Karya. So I will first read it, then I will explain to you. प्रारंभिक शिक्षा पूरी करके उन्होंने भौतिक विज्ञान में स्नातक किया, फिर मद्रास से एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग की शिक्षा ग्रहण की। इंजीनियरिंग के बाद कलाम ने रक्षा अनुसंधान और विकास संगठन DRDO में वैज्ञानिक के तौर पर कार्य किया। अपने काम के प्रति निष्ठा और सफलता से उनकी गिनती बड़े बड़े वैज्ञानिकों में होने लगी। भारत को शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए उन्होंने पृथ्वी और अग्नि नाम की मिसाइलों का निर्माण किया। पोखरण में द्वितीय परमाणु के सफल परीक्षण में भी उन्होंने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई थी। So what happened? In the childhood itself, he was very much interested to find out new things, isn't it? He wanted to discover many things, no? So finally, what happened? He was interested in the engineering field, that too in the science field. Okay. So what happened is it? प्रारंभिक शिक्षा means elementary education, the basic education. पूरी करके उन्होंने भौतिक विज्ञान में स्नातक किया. So after completing his elementary education, what did he do? He has taken graduation in भौतिक विज्ञान. भौतिक विज्ञान means physics. He was specialized in physics. It's a branch of science. Physics is a branch of science. So he was very much interested in that. So what happened? He took graduation in physics. फिर मद्रास से एरोस्पेस इंजीनियरिंग की शिक्षा ग्रहण की. So again he went to Madras and what he did? He did this aerospace engineering. He has taken engineering subject and he was that too specially in aerospace. So he took up the aerospace engineering degree. इंजीनियरिंग के बाद कलाम ने रक्षा अनुसंधान और विकास संगठन that means DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, Defense Research Development Organization which is called as DRDO में वैज्ञानिक के तौर पर कार्य किया. So he went and started working in this Defense Development Organization. अपने काम के प्रति निष्ठा और सफलता से उनकी गिनती बड़े बड़े वैज्ञानिकों में होने लगी. So because he started making his studies in engineering and other things and aerospace engineering and all now, so like that what happened, he came in contact with very great people, that who the scientists. He was very much in between so many scientists. So what happened, they could exchange the ideas and they could find out new things. Okay, so here it is given, see. अपने काम के प्रति निष्ठा. So he was very loyal in his work. He was very much dedicated in whatever the work he was doing. So अपने काम के प्रति निष्ठा और सफलता. So he was very successful because of his hard work and dedication. He was very successful in his duty. सफलता से उनकी गिनती बड़े बड़े वैज्ञानिकों में होने लगे. So he was recognized by so many people and that too he came in contact with so many scientists. वैज्ञानिकों में scientists. भारत को शक्तिशाली बनाने के लिए उन्होंने पृथ्वी और अग्नि नाम की मिसाइलों का निर्माण किया. So he wanted to make India very famous. So what happened? He started making two missiles. One hand is called as missile man. Do you know that APJ Abdul Kalam is called as missile man? So he has done two missiles. One is Prithvi and the other one is Agni. मिसाइलों का निर्माण किया. पोखरण में द्वितीय परमाणु के सफल परीक्षण में भी उन्होंने महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई थी. So he was in contact with the atomic energy things also. So he started working on that. Parikshan means he started working on these things. Did you understand? So he also became a great scientist. You know, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is also called as missile man. He is a great scientist of India and also the 11th president of India. Okay, we'll continue. भारत में बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल के विकास में उनके महान योगदान के कारण उन्हें मिसाइल मैन भी कहा जाता है. रक्षा वैज्ञानिक के रूप में उनकी उपलब्धियों के कारण उन्हें राष्ट्रपति पद का उम्मीदवार बनाया गया. वर्ष 2002 से 2007 बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देने में वे हमेशा आगे रहते थे। 27 जुलाई 2015 को भारतीय प्रबंधन संस्थान शिलांग में विद्यार्थियों को संबोधित करते हुए दिल का दौरा पड़ने से 83 वर्ष की आयु में उनका निधन हो गया। कलाम एक सच्चे देशभक्त और महान वैज्ञानिक थे। उनके महान कार्यों और योगदान के लिए उन्हें पद्म भूषण, पद्म विभूषण, भारत रत्न आदि सम्मानों से सम्मानित किया गया। पढ़ने के बाद नव्या चकते हुए बोली, माँ, बड़ी होकर मैं भी अब्दुल कलाम की तरह वैज्ञानिक बनूंगी और देश सेवा करूंगी। माँ ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, हाँ हाँ, क्यों नहीं, तुम अवश्य बनोगी। Okay, so I'll explain here what happened when I already told you he was called as a missile man because he has made two missiles. One is Prithvi and other one is Agni, isn't it? Now भारत में बैलिस्टिक मिसाइल के विकास में उनके महान योगदान के कारण उन्हें मिसाइल मैन भी कहा जाता है because he was more interested about missiles, so he is also called as missile man. And he was into that. He wanted to help India and he wanted to make India also very famous about this. रक्षा वैज्ञानिक के रूप में उनकी उपलब्धियों के कारण उन्हें राष्ट्रपति पद का उम्मीदवार बनाया गया। So रक्षा वैज्ञानिक, that means he was into defense also. Already I learned that in the Defense Research Development Organization he was working there. So he was into defense also. So he was giving so much plan and ideas how to defend our country. So based on that, what happened? He has become the president of India also. He was the president of India. So बनाया गया वर्ष 2002 से 2007. So in between 2002 to 2007, what happened? He was the 11th president of India. 11th means 11th president of India, and he was very much dedicated. He was sacrificing all his life for the sake of country, for the sake of our nation. वे एक लोकप्रिय राष्ट्रपति थे. So he was very much famous. Everybody liked him because he was not into any corruption. He was only a dedicated person to help India. उन्हें बच्चों से बहुत लगाव था. So he was very much interested with children. He was always mingling with children and he used to teach them how to just come up in our life, how they have to be dedicated, how they have to sacrifice their life for the country. All this he was telling to the children, and children also were loving Abdul Kalam. बहुत लगाव था. बच्चों से मिलकर उन्हें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देने में वे हमेशा आगे रहते थे. So always he used to tell how they have to come forward in their life. All the children, they have to be very much dedicated. They have to have sacrifice. They should understand. They should obey. All these things he used to say, and that way they can come up in their life. All that he used to explain when he used to come in contact with the children. 27 जुलाई 2015 को भारतीय प्रबंधन संस्थान शिलांग में विद्यार्थियों को संबोधित करते हुए दिल का दौरा पड़ने से 83 वर्ष की आयु में उनका निधन हो गया. See, even when he was at the age of 83, he was giving a lecture. He was conducting a seminar where in Shillong, and he was addressing to the children. So the vidyarthi means students. He was addressing to the students at the age of 83. That time what happened? He had a heart attack. He had heart attack and he died. When he was 83, he was still going to explain to the students, and he was saying some seminar. He was conducting some seminars to the students at Shillong. That time what happened? He had heart attack and he passed away. कलाम एक सच्चे देशभक्त और महान वैज्ञानिक थे. So he was really a patriot. देशभक्त means a patriot, and महान वैज्ञानिक, he was a great scientist. आदि सम्मानों से सम्मानित किया गया. So okay, वैज्ञानिक थे. उनके महान कार्यों और योगदान के लिए, so he was very great person, isn't it? And the way he was helping the nation, he was given certain what is that? You call it awards. Some certain awards were there. What is that awards? Padma Bhushan. He was awarded Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. These are all higher awards. The people who get in very high level. So he got all these high awards because of his dedication to the country. See here, what are the awards he got? Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna. See, all these were the different awards he got. आदि सम्मानों से सम्मानित किया गया. So he was awarded so many awards. पढ़ने के बाद नव्या छटते हुए बोली, माँ बड़ी होकर मैं भी अब्दुल कलाम की तरह वैज्ञानिक बनूंगी और देश सेवा करूंगी. So what is she saying? Now she is so much inspired about his life story, isn't it? About Dr. Abdul Kalam's life story. Navya is very much inspired. So she is saying, Mummy, even I will also become like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. माँ बड़ी होकर I will also become big, and then बड़ी होकर मैं भी अब्दुल कलाम की तरह वैज्ञानिक बनूंगी. So I will also become a scientist. वैज्ञानिक में scientist. और देश सेवा करूंगी, and I will also sacrifice my life for the purpose of my country, India. माँ ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा, हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं, तुम अवश्य बनोगी. So mother is also feeling very happy when the child said that. She said, yes, you will also become like Dr. Abdul Kalam when you grow up. So like that, children, we should always be dedicated in whatever the work we do. We should be hard workers. We should be sincere about our work. Then definitely what happens, people will recognize you. You don't have to expect anything. People only will recognize you, and you can also become great people. Did you understand? So let me stop it here. We continue.